Content Management System, or CMS, is a software platform that helps people create, edit, organize, and publish digital content without needing to write any code. Instead of learning programming languages, anyone can use a CMS to manage their website content easily. Think of it as a friendly tool that handles all the technical behind-the-scenes work so you can focus on your content. Content management systems offer 4 major advantages. First, ease of use means non-technical people can create and publish content without any coding knowledge. Second, collaboration features allow multiple team members to work together simultaneously, with different access levels for different people. Third, security is built in with automatic protection, access controls, and regular backups to prevent data loss. Fourth, scalability means the system can handle growing amounts of content and more users without needing major changes. These benefits make CMS platforms valuable for businesses of all sizes. Every CMS has 2 main components working together. The Content Management Application, or CMA for short, is the user interface where writers and editors create and edit content. It is the front-end tool that people interact with daily. The Content Delivery Application, or CDA, is the backend system that publishes and displays the content to website visitors. The CMA feeds information to the CDA, which then updates the live website. These 2 components work seamlessly together to create a complete content management solution. CMS architecture is built on 3 layers that work together. The presentation layer renders and displays content to end users through their web browsers. It is what visitors see on the website. The business logic layer handles how content flows through the system, managing workflows, content versioning, and when content gets published. The data storage layer stores everything including content, metadata, and system settings in databases. Think of these layers like a sandwich. The presentation layer is the top, business logic is the middle, and data storage is the foundation holding everything up. There are 4 main ways to deploy a CMS. Coupled CMS tightly integrates the front-end and back-end together, like WordPress or Drupal, and works well for traditional websites. Decoupled CMS separates the front-end and back-end using APIs, offering more flexibility and allowing independent scaling. Headless CMS provides only the back-end and content through APIs with no fixed front-end, making it ideal for delivering content across multiple channels and devices. Hybrid CMS combines the benefits of coupled and headless approaches, balancing ease of use with modern flexibility. Each model has different strengths depending on your specific needs. Protecting your CMS requires 6 security practices. Authentication means using strong passwords and multi-factor authentication to control who accesses the system. Regular updates keep your CMS core, plugins, and servers patched against known vulnerabilities. Automated backups with encryption ensure you never lose data and can recover quickly if something goes wrong. Encryption protects data in transit using HTTPS and at rest in databases using AES encryption. A web application firewall filters malicious traffic and prevents DDoS attacks before they reach your servers. Finally, continuous monitoring and logging helps detect threats early by tracking all activity and running regular vulnerability scans. To keep your CMS fast and responsive, implement 4 optimization strategies. Caching stores frequently accessed data in different layers, reducing load times significantly by avoiding repeated processing. Media optimization compresses images and files while using content delivery networks to serve files quickly worldwide. Database tuning optimizes queries, adds useful indexes, and removes outdated data so the database responds faster. Regular maintenance, including software updates, plugin cleanup, and performance audits, prevents the system from slowing down over time. These techniques work together to ensure your website remains fast even with heavy content. Preparing your CMS for future growth requires 6 scalability strategies. Cloud architecture uses cloud platforms with automatic scaling, and containerization with tools like Kubernetes manages resources flexibly. Modular design with APIs allows you to scale different components independently without affecting the entire system. Global content delivery networks distribute content worldwide through edge caching, so users get content from nearby servers with low latency. Load balancing spreads traffic across multiple servers with failover protection to maintain high availability. Capacity planning involves monitoring performance metrics and conducting load testing before traffic spikes occur. Finally, monitoring tools with real-time dashboards and alerting systems track performance and enable quick problem solving. Together, these strategies ensure your CMS can grow smoothly as your needs increase.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.